He's still in his high chair.
Go.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I think he still wants to say hi to you.
I love you. Can you do kisses? Can you do kisses, Ezra?
Huh?
Do kisses.
Mom.
What? What does the puppy say?
Mom.
What does the puppy say?
Can you blow a kiss? Can you blow a kiss to Granny?
Oh, that's so nice. I got it. That was the best kiss I've had today. Can you sing?
Do you want to sing a song to Granny?
Sing a song to me.
Sing another.
Yeah?
Keep
Going.
singing.
That's a pretty short song. Are you giggling?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Can you say apple?
Yeah.
Can you say apple?
Mom.
No? Can you say daddy?
Yeah.
Daddy.